just kidding. Hey, so whānau, e te iwi, I'm really excited to introduce your next artist. Well, your next group, I suppose, eh? I mean, I'm looking at the setup, I'm like, dang. Am I glowing? Yes. Shout out to the gaffers in the industry, you know, turning on the lights for us, making sure we look beautiful, and making sure you can see us. Hey, whānau. Well, I'm just looking around, you know. Oh, cool. All right. I've got 2 minutes to be funny. I'm not funny, e te iwi motaku here. E hara te comedian. I'm not a comedian. But in talking about comedy, the comedy festival's coming soon, eh? Anyone going? Anyone going? Yeah? That's good. Can I come? No? Oh. No one answered, so I just assumed that it was a no. E paia, now I might see you there. Not on stage, though, because I'm not funny. I'm just dry as. Still hasn't been 2 minutes. Well, I do want to give a shout out to my tuakana, Amber Holly. I don't know if you saw Amber Holly earlier, but Amber Holly was just sitting here, chilling out with the tamariki. And then she gave me a feed. The only one ever who gave me a feed. Does anyone else want to give me a feed? Hey, unless you are honest, I love honesty, even if it's a no. You've got me. See, you love me. Who am I? You're probably wondering. Well, I'm Te Kurahuia, the bad, mana, wahine. And I'm a uri of this whenua. I am of Ngaitara Ngāti Ira descent. I'm also Ngāti Raukawa ki te tonga, so, you know, shout out to the kahis, shout out to my te atiawa whānau, much aroha kia koutou katoa. Quick reminder about our sponsors, you know. We want to make sure that our sponsor, Te Māngai Pāho, is getting the mihi that they deserve, because without them, we wouldn't be here on this stage specifically. Well, maybe. Well, you probably wouldn't have me. Yeah. Yeah, right? And then that means it'll just be boring. Nah, just kidding. I'm kidding. Maybe. Nah, shush. Anyways, I think it's been slightly 2 minutes-ish. Thank you. No, honestly, I'm a certified yapper. So if you need a certified yapper, just hit me up on Instagram at @thebadmanawahine. If you're a producer like me, send me some beats, because I'm looking for some beats to collab on. Hewe atu I tērā. Let's get into some of this info, eh? Ooh, okay. All right, so they did tell me that they will be performing some new music. And when I say new, I mean unreleased music. I mean just recorded on Sunday, because that's what they reckon. And I was like, whoa, that was like a couple of days ago. What's going on? It's almost a week ago. Haka, and you're already performing new music? Dang. Well, anyways, they're still not there. So I still gotta, should I do my pepeha? Nah, yous are funny. Ko tararua te maunga, ko otaki te awa, ko ngā tirau kawa, ko ngā itaramua upoko, ngā iwi. Yeah, you already know. I'm from a lot of different areas, but I will just stick to the main ones. Ko ngā tihuia te hapu, ko otaki te awa, ko... Boom! Yeah! We got some cousins in there, in the crowd. Oh, shut up, we're only down the road, eh? Anyways, ko horo whenua te roto, ko whātonga te tangata, ko hoturua te tangata anō hoki. He uri tēnei, no ngā hau e whā. All right, whānau, we're going to go into it. Just like her tipuna and tuakana, Byllie-Jean is an enabler of sovereignty and peace. She is part of the hordes of shapeshifters and storytellers with oro to offer as reciprocation for life on a magical and generous planet. A truly unique voice in Aotearoa music. So whānau, please give a big, huge, warm mihi to Byllie-Jean! Whoa, whoa. Whoa, they look so mana Māori motuhake. What is going on? They look cool.
Kia ora. Whanganui atara. We are excited. Oh my God. You know, I don't like a lot of ado, so let's not ado any further. Let's do it. Looking at me. This one up a little bit more. Anei taku mihi kawatu ki Kinsey from Welly. We can still feel the Māori up here, and we're gonna ride on that. I'd like to dedicate this one to Mahinarangi Toka, Auntie Mahinarangi, kia aya. Mahinarangi, I don't know if you guys, anyone knows her, but she was performing as a wahine Māori, he takatapui, in the 80s and 90s and early 2000s, at a time when there was no tautoko, there was no putia, and sometimes it was dangerous, so we're just riding on the coattails of wahine like her, and that's the only reason why we're standing up here today as wahine Māori, as takatapui. Kia ora. Face down, face down, in the main street. set the beat, the crazy lady speaks to me, and all I wanna do is breathe in, breathe out. And all the sin and all the things I need to buy and places that I need to be, I think about America, 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 America. And I remember all the things you said to me and did to me, and how I felt and what I should have said, and all of my regrets. And I just want to be out of my mind. Gotta get in my body. 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 In my skull, in my skin, in my neck, in my chest, in my hands, in my breast, in my back. Take me as I am, metaverse lover. Give me a filter that lasts me forever. Gotta get in my body. 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 In my skull, in my skin, in my neck, in my chest, in my hands, in my breast, in my back. In my blood, in my tongue, in my lips, in my lungs, in my hips, in my heels, in my breath. In my skull, in my skin, in my chest, in my chest, in my hands, in my breast, in my back. In my blood, in my tongue, in my lips, in my lungs, in my hips, in my heels, in my breath. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We are so excited to be here with you all. We all work 40-hour weeks, and so we actually don't actually even have the money to do this half the time. So it's beautiful to be here and spend time and space and energy, and everything's expensive, and it's beautiful to be joyful and be around this energy. So kia ora. So now that we've got that over with, now that I'm in my body, the only time that I permit drama is on the stage. So let's get spooky. You spooky old devil, you. my phone back, please. Pupua ke ana te aroha he kura he rangona I te ngakau o tātou o rātou urupa te whakatinana o kuima. Te manu matanui, te manu matakite, te manu kawe mai, I te kurahuna. Te manu matanui, te manu matakite, te manu kawe mai, I te kurahuna. See, drama. So there's drama and then there's creeps. So some creeps I do like. One of them is Hine Pukohurangi, the mist. And then you just love her when she like creeps over the hilltops and into the valley and swirls around. And there's kind of a frequency to there. Yeah, let's go there. Pai, e tare utana tai, fai fai huri huri mai, ho fai fai, una una ra, ora ora na, I te tai rua muna muna, karere, te hao, ine. Ke mai, ka miri miri te wai, fai fai huri huri mai, ho fai fai, una una ra, ora ora na, I te tai rua muna muna. Ora mia mia, we go without the order. E roto I te waka nei tanga I te pū kohu kohu ai waia re te hahi re Upoko rangi. Let's keep going, let's keep going. They keep asking me, Christopher, can you breathe down your own neck? You can brush your teeth. I've been sleeping in my bed as usual, and I've been sitting on the stairs outside my rental, but feels like somebody's breathing down my neck, my neck. And even here at the bottom of the world, even though I'm running, standing still, even though I'm a shapeshifter, like to a color, I'm shedding my skin on the regular. Still feels like somebody's breathing down my neck, my neck. Don't it feel like somebody's breathing down your neck, your neck. Alfina Cooper and Josephine Baker showed me it's not okay. I'm kicking bricks to this day, and take it from me, only outlaws are free. Go on, impress me. Go on, impress me. Control is like a chameleon, the devil without a costume. Angels in disguise, at my back with pook on the eyes, telling me which foot to put forward. It's all for your own good. Illusion feels like freedom, feels like somebody's breathing down my neck, my neck. And don't it feel like somebody's breathing down your neck, your neck. Thank you so much. I just want to let you know that my muse is here, my tuakana. And I'll tell you what, if there was a competition for who could do the best Freddie Merc, she would win. There she is over there. So if you want to catch those vibes. Okay, so you know when you're deep in the ngahere and it's like raining hard out and you can see all the drops coming off the leaves, and then suddenly a ray of light comes through the forest and illuminates all the primordial love from Rangi Nui kia Papatuanuku and everything sparkling. Yeah, wow, that's what the song is about. Let's go there. Well, this might come as a surprise to some, but I've been a desperate fool before. So, you know how people in gigs say we're going to take it down? Well, this is as far as we're going to take it down, because, you know, if you're an artist, then you get to, like, wallow in this shit all the time, because you just get to sing the song over and over again. So, desperate fools. That's me sometimes. It's past the witching hour, but it still feels like there's witches around. And I listen to the silence to remember things that I always knew. And lost myself on the street last night, and I called out in this voice of mine, and I asked you if I'm just your Friday bitch. You offer on the edge of your sleeve. And when I speak of you, I really mean me. And I'm sure now that I love me desperately. It's hard to wake up in the dark. It's hard to wake up in the it's hard to wake up in the dark. It's hard to wake up in the dark. We'll just hurry up and wake up, all right? What do you reckon, Sissy? Did they wake up a little bit, or did they go sleep?
I feel like some of yous are awake.
Thank you so much. Yes, 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 yes. We're running amok in town, right here on Cuba Street. That's what Uncle reckons, but nobody listens, 'cause when he drunk, he a clown. Somebody stole his land, and everyone knows who did it. They're running amok. 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 They emptied out the pantry and picnicked on his bones. He went to the table, but all the seats were taken. Sacrificed the mountain pronouncing his damnation. The congregation of the heads and everybody said amen. They're running amok. 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 Somebody stole my land, and everyone knows who did it. I can't hear the music. Sorry. They're running. 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 Oh, I apologize, Itafano. Some of that I couldn't hear coming through the speakers. But we still know they're running amok down the road. And we still know they've stolen our land, so. This song is on a similar kind of vein, except it's about all of the noise that people make, and most of it's all shit. So, yeah, this song is about that, which is ironic because it's also noisy. Erere noa te teka, hamu 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 ti, he kōpū a te weta, tahuri, a wate, mo te kore take, e papahua tura, he whakataruna, turi turi, wara wara, e taka ana i ngā wahamaha, te waha papara rangi patana, pahu pahu hoha, ahu tahi rua toru, te tutai e pahu atu, toko mahanga tangata te ruku. Kihi kihi atu i te wari. O nā roke. Roro more. O nā roke. Roro more. Maniora, totore, hafe, pafe, fafe, fafe, ka hoitere, ngare romiere, kimi mana era, triki para, mau hau, tungu tukau, I te au kiri hau, o te kati hau, ma te hangarau, ka hangarau awe, parau. O nā roke. Roro more. O nā roke. Roro more. Anga te mai, o e te mai, watangi ke a tōtu ai, wati mo te tai, ki a haku ai, wa maru ke ngā mangai. Anga te mai, o e te mai, watangi ke a tōtu ai, wati Well, I know people in high places, and this is one of them. This is Taupuna Kohe. And this fella goes by many names. But tonight he is the spaceman, Chris Wethy, who has taken us beyond. And you know where this is going. This is our last song. Thank you for being such a great audience. They say that New Zealand audiences are some of the worst, but this has been a great experience. I think it might be different because it's Pōneke pia. You go, most of these songs haven't been performed live before, basically because of that aforementioned 40-hour week. But, you know, we made some time and we're here together. Yes, this last one was written on Sunday, and so it's not finished. But neither are we, because we're still here Earthside, right? So we're going to go out on it anyway. Kia ora. There's a cello coming. I sense a cello coming. Do you sense a cello coming? Kare? Oh, there it is. There it is. I've cried for a clown before, and I've been a clown before. I learned there's a time to fight and a time to soar, so I don't worry anymore. I took harmony and made some thread, took melody and made some wings, so I transcend. Yeah, made myself a freedom suit, so I fly above it all. Made myself a freedom suit, so I fly above it all. Hey, 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 hey.
Hey, did you see the DJ? He looks so gangster. And those beats were on. Those melodies, that harmony was beautiful. And I got free churros. Win-win. I know they're already gone, but they'll hear you from the back. So please, give a big round of applause for Byllie-Jean! Yeah! Wow. That was a lot of homework for me to do. Now I'm like, okay, I got to work on my style. I got to work on how